Storytime Kids instructional video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Bonnie, and today's craft is a sunflower loop picture. What you'll need today is a supply kit from the library, which should include one large sheet of orange construction paper, a yellow circle, a green piece of construction paper that have two leaves drawn out on it, several strips of yellow construction paper, one strip of green construction paper, and a baggie full of a few sunflower seeds. What you'll need from home is some white glue, such as Elmer's, glue stick, and a pair of scissors. You can stop the video, and after you've gathered your supplies, go ahead and start the video again. Let's start today's craft by cutting out the two leaves that are traced on this piece of construction paper. We're going to take and just kind of fold one kind of corner of them a little bit there. That's to help give our picture volume. Just fold it about halfway down. Do that with both of them. You don't have to. It does add a little bit to our picture. Okay. Next thing we want to do is find our piece of orange construction paper. Our round circle and our green stem. To kind of arrange them on the paper how we kind of want our flower to be. I'm going to put mine right in the middle of the paper, but you can offset yours a bit if you'd like. And I think something like that. Once you've decided where you want your flower to be, you want to glue those pieces down with your glue stick. This will be kind of the main parts of our flower. Mine looks like this. Yours should look similar. I'm going to kind of decide where I want to put my leaves and glue those down too now. I think something like that. I'm just going to glue the bottom half of it down. The next step is to take your yellow strips of paper. We want to glue them in half. Fold them, and we'll want to glue them down there. Okay, so if you want to take each one and glue those, you can stop the video while you're doing that, and once you've completed that, you can start the video again if you'd like. They'll look like that when you've completed them. Once you've had all your loops glued, we can begin to put them on our sunflower, to create our sunflower. With that, you just want to add a little glue and start placing them around. I'm going to kind of space mine equally around to begin with, so I can fill in where I need to put them as I go. Now I'm going to kind of overlap them a little bit. But yours can be any way you want them to be. You just want them to go around that circular piece of construction paper that we glued to the orange paper. Sure that they stick down good and tight. That is the way mine went around. Yours probably will look very similar. Our last step is to get your white glue. And you'll want to put some of this right in the middle of your flower. You want to make sure and get enough in there that your sunflower seeds will stick to it. but not too much that it's gonna run all over the place. Okay. Once you have your glue in there, you can grab your sunflower seeds. Carefully place them in the middle of your sunflower. You want to have enough glue in there that it holds these down. If you find you need a little more glue, go ahead and add more glue. I'm going to add just a touch more. Okay, now this is going to take a while to dry. I'm going to set it up too much yet. That's what the one we just made looks like. Once it gets dry, you should be able to hold it up and move it around without the sunflower seeds falling off. You've created a beautiful sunflower today. Congratulations. Make sure, as always, to pick up all of your scraps and your tools that you used. Thank you for joining us today. Books at the library about sunflowers include Sunflower by Barry Watts, To Be Like the Sun by Susan Swanson, Sunflowers by Chris Bonnell, and Sunflower House by Eve Bunting. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you at the library soon.